who choose to be alone, those people are not alone because no one wants to be their friend and no one likes them. And no, they're alone because they've chosen peace. Because everything that they ever trusted, everything they ever poured into, everyone they've ever tried to love has disappointed, has hurt them, has misunderstood them, has minimized them, has used them. Okay? So when you have gotten to a point in your life where you're tired of being mistreated, where you're tired of tolerating behaviors that you don't need to tolerate anymore, when you have gotten to a point in your life where you're tired of neglecting yourself, you're tired of being there for everyone when you are broken. You're broken and you're holding everyone's hand. You're broken and you're smiling for everyone. You're broken and you're healing people.